Learning AI skills, a simple step-by-step guide. Artificial intelligence, AI, is one of the most valuable skills you can learn today. Step 1. Understand what AI is. Before using AI, understand what it does. Learn what AI is. Machine learning, generative AI, large language models like ChatGPT, AI image and video generation. Goal: know what AI can and cannot do. Step 2. Learn how to write good prompts. AI gives better answers when you ask better questions. Practice: being clear and specific. Giving AI enough context. Asking AI to improve or rewrite answers. Using follow-up questions. Example: instead of saying, "Write a story," say, "Write a 10-minute YouTube romance story with suspense and a cliffhanger ending." Goal: master prompt engineering. Step 3. Choose one AI tool. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with ChatGPT for writing, research, and ideas. Gemini, Claude, Microsoft Copilot. Learn every feature before moving to another tool. Step 4. Learn AI for your career. Think about how AI can help your work. Examples: content creators, scripts, thumbnails, titles. Students, notes and summaries. Business owners, marketing and customer support. Designers, logos and images. Programmers, coding assistants. Focus on solving real problems. Step 5. Learn AI image generation. Practice creating images using AI. Learn writing image prompts, camera angles, lighting, character consistency, different art styles, popular styles, realistic, anime, comic, 3D, Pixar, cinematic. Step 6. Learn AI video creation. Use AI to create videos from text or images. Practice image to video, text to video, voiceover generation, lip sync, background music, video editing. Build small projects before attempting longer videos. Step 7. Learn basic automation. AI becomes much more powerful when tasks are automated. Examples: automatically reply to emails, generate social media posts, organize files, summarize documents. You don't need programming to start learning simple automation tools. Step 8. Build small projects. The fastest way to learn is by creating ideas, AI-generated logo, storybook, comic, YouTube video, resume, business plan, marketing campaign. Each project teaches a new skill. Step 9. Learn basic coding, optional. Coding is not required for many AI tasks, but it expands what you can build. Start with Python basics, variables, loops, functions, reading files. Then explore simple AI libraries when you're comfortable. Step 10. Stay updated. AI changes quickly. Set aside 15 to 30 minutes each day to read AI news, watch tutorials, test new tools, practice new prompts. Continuous learning keeps your skills current. Step 11. Practice every day. Even 30 minutes daily can make a big difference. Example routine: 10 minutes learning, 10 minutes practicing, 10 minutes building something. Consistency matters more than long study sessions. Step 12. Join AI communities. Learning with others helps you improve faster. You can ask questions, share your work, learn from experienced users, discover new tools. Networking also opens doors to collaboration and opportunities. Step 13. Create a portfolio. Save your best work in one place. Include AI images, videos, articles, designs, scripts, automation projects, case studies. A portfolio shows what you can do better than simply listing skills. Step 14. Earn money with AI. Once you're confident, you can offer services such as content writing, graphic design, video editing, prompt engineering, AI consulting, social media management, logo design, YouTube script writing, AI chatbot setup. Start with a few clients, collect feedback, and improve over time. 30-day learning plan. Week 1. Learn AI basics. Create accounts on AI platforms. Practice writing prompts. Week 2. Learn AI writing and image generation. Create 5 small projects. Week 3. Learn AI video creation and simple automation. Improve your prompts through practice. Week 4. Build 1 complete project. Create a portfolio. Share your work online. Begin offering your skills. Common mistakes to avoid. Trying to learn every AI tool at once. Copying AI output without reviewing it. Expecting perfect results from the first prompt. Not practicing consistently. Ignoring ethics, privacy, and copyright. Giving up too early. Final thoughts. AI is a tool that rewards curiosity and practice. You don't need to know everything before you begin. Start with one tool, solve one problem at a time, and build real projects as you learn. Over time, your confidence and abilities will grow, opening opportunities for creativity, productivity, and income. The most important step is to begin today and keep learning consistently.